Welcome to our step-by-step guide for e-filing your individual income tax return for the year of assessment 2025-2026. We'll walk you through accessing the IRD portal, choosing the right return type, completing your declarations, and filing your tax returns smoothly. Before you start e-filing, make sure you have your essential tax credentials ready. You can request your TIN or PIN or reset locked accounts via links on the portal's homepage. To access the system, go to the Inland Revenue Department's official portal, navigate to the eServices tab, and select Access to eServices to reach the login screen. To begin, use the web address https://www.ird.gov.lk to access the Inland Revenue Department's website directly. Once on the portal, tap on the eServices tab. Next, select Individual Taxpayer, and then tap Proceed to Login to continue. Make sure to enter your TIN, PIN, and the CAPTCHA exactly as shown. If you've forgotten your PIN or your account is locked, you can request a new PIN to regain access. Select the assessment year 2025-2026 and tap the Proceed button. If you don't see any data, it means you're not registered for IIT this year. You can submit a backdated registration request or self-issue the return if you're already registered, but the year isn't displayed. Declare all your income sources for the current year. Check the boxes that apply and click Next. Except for option 6, all other choices will lead you to the Simplified Return. Here we have the Simplified IIT Return for the year of assessment 2025-2026. The IIT Simplified Return is available for certain individuals, such as those earning from primary or secondary employment, residential solar panels, or interest income with AIT deducted. If you meet 2 or more of these categories or are submitting a nil return, you qualify. The system pre-fills some info, but it's your responsibility to verify it. If you have other income types or deductions, you must file the standard return instead. Remember, this is a self-declaration form under the Inland Revenue Act. While some fields are pre-filled, you need to carefully review all information to ensure accuracy and completeness. Enter your employment income here. You can add new lines, remove existing ones, or edit values as needed. Enter your interest income here with the same flexibility to add, remove, or edit entries. Provide details of your solar panel installations in this section. Some fields are system-generated based on your input and cannot be edited. Now we have the Statement of Assets and Liabilities section. According to Section 126(2) of the Inland Revenue Act, you must declare the value of all your assets and liabilities as of March 31, 2026. This includes assets inside and outside Sri Lanka. Use acquisition cost or market value if acquisition cost isn't available. These values are for information only and don't affect your tax liability. Part 1 covers immovable properties like land and buildings, movable properties such as vehicles, bank deposits, shares, cash, loans, and valuables like gold and gems. Also declare properties held as part of a business with supporting documents if applicable. Don't forget to declare all liabilities including loans payable by the end of the year. Part 2 asks you to declare any other assets acquired or gifts received during the year, as well as any disposals of assets including sales, transfers, or gifts. You can add or remove lines or edit values as needed. For immovable properties, declare all such assets with their values as of the end of the assessment year. Similarly, declare all movable properties like vehicles, bank deposits, shares, cash, loans, and valuables owned as of the assessment year end. Declare shares, stocks, securities, cash in hand, loans given, and valuables like gold and gems owned at year end. For properties held as part of a business, declare the capital and current account balances as of year end, attaching balance sheets if applicable. Also declare all liabilities including loans payable during the year. Part A covers other assets acquired or gifts received, while Part B covers disposals of assets including sales, transfers, or gifts during the year. Declare the total values accordingly. Next, complete Part A with details of any tax preparer or accountant who prepared your return for a fee, and Part B with your own self-declaration. Then review the summary page carefully, print or save it as a PDF, since edits aren't allowed after submission. Finally, verify all figures and submit your return to the IRD RAMIS system. You can upload supporting documents now or later, selecting the correct document types. This slide simply highlights the declaration section. In Part A, if your return was prepared by a paid accountant or individual, you must disclose their details. Part B requires you to declare your own details. Again, Part A is for details of the preparer if applicable. Part B is your self-declaration section. This slide marks the confirmation step. All your declared details will appear on the confirmation page. You should print or save this page as a PDF before submitting, because after submission you won't be able to view, print, or edit your return. Make sure all the details you provided are displayed correctly on this page. You can't edit values here. If you need to make changes, press Amend to go back. Remember to print or save this page before submitting. You can also upload supporting documents now if you wish. This slide introduces the document uploading process. You can upload supporting documents either now or later. To upload now, click the button, select your files, and save. Make sure you choose the correct document and subdocument types. Alternatively, you can submit your return now and upload documents later. Finally, ensure you select the correct document and subdocument types when uploading. You can remove any attached documents before saving. Thanks for watching this guide. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tax and financial tutorials.